Good morning, guys. Karen here. I have bird eggs in a nest on my porch that I've shown you before. And every day I look to see if the babies are there. I don't ever touch them. I try not to get too close, but I'm really short. My husband can get up there and see. This is like the third year they've done this. I don't know if it's the same birds. I don't know what kind of bird it is, but I think it's a finch. It's a little brown bird, and it has like stripes. And of course they don't like me, but I don't really hurt them. And I hope I don't mess this up while I'm trying to get here. I have to move my chair. And she may not even be there right now. They go out and eat. And do my best. Oh, she flew away. Okay. She was in there. Let's see if I can get it. This is not good. Let me think. She's having a fit. She's having a fit. I'm not getting in it, baby. I just want to see if you have a baby in there.